Segmenting is a skill that teaches students to hear the individual parts or sounds in a spoken word. This transfers to print as students write and spell words. In the primary lessons, students segment a spoken word into syllables and sounds. The skill focus that is provided can be shared with students to define what it means to segment a word. When we segment, we listen to a whole word and separate it into 2 or 3 syllables. The teacher says the word, the students repeat the word, and then segment the word into the syllables they hear. The students can use the same chopping hand motion from blending to segment the word. It looks like this. The teacher would say 17. The students would respond repeating the whole word 17 and then segmenting it into 17. We hear 3 syllables in the word 17. Beginning in week 3, students will segment a single syllable word into sounds. The skill focus says when we segment, we separate a word into the sounds we hear. The lessons also include teacher language that can be shared. When we spell words, we listen for each sound and match the sounds we hear to letters in print. The teacher says the word, and the students will segment the word into individual sounds. It looks like this. The teacher would say zip. The students would respond zip. Z, I, p. We ask the students to count the sounds they hear. We hear 3 sounds in the word zip. When hearing words with 4 or more sounds, the students will segment the word into each sound of a consonant blend. We could say to students, the word is sport. They would repeat the word sport and use that chopping motion to segment the word into sounds. S, p, or t. We hear 4 sounds in the word sport. Within the primary lessons, you will see this hand motion become optional and eventually removed altogether. The goal is that students will be able to segment a word into sounds without any visual support, like this hand motion.